Every motion, every push, and every reaction in the universe follows an extraordinary set of rules. Newton's laws of motion is one of the chapter which I call as gateway of mechanics because it establishes the basic concept for mechanics, that is force. And I will also say that this chapter will determine your future in JEE, that whether you would be selected in the first attempt in JEE or not. But most of the students find some average problems of Newton laws scary, unpredictable, and confusing because no one has ever explained the best methods and tricks to solve those average and complex problems to the students. In this course, I will explain the best methods and tricks to solve the complex problems of Newton laws like constraint motion problems. I would be providing many methods to solve the constraint motion problems, and I would be pointing out the best method to solve those problems. I have also introduced the unique concepts like rotor pulleys, stepped pulleys, infinite pulley problems, and moving wedges in this course, and I would be explaining the best methods to solve these kind of problems. By the end of this course, NLM would not be just a chapter for you. It would be your strongest weapon in physics mechanics. Join this course today and unlock the real power of Newton laws and redefine how you understand the mechanics. Enroll now and start your journey to excellence.